Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Deckaway again with my channel Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with, as Monty Python would say, something completely different. So normally I do one case at a time, or I stick with a lot of the same manufacturers because one, I like them and I've developed relationships with them and I like their products. I reached out and I talked to the Velvet Carviar people and I was like, I want to try something different. I want to get some of these products out so other people can see them and see if this is something that fits, one, part of my audience, and two, show you something else to put on your phone. Now, a lot of people say, fresh coat of paint makes the room look brand new, looks different. A fresh case on your phone makes it look brand new. So if you're not in the market to get a new phone and you just want to change it up a little bit, well, check out Velvet Carviar. Now, a lot of their designs, they have some for men, they have some for women. It's more of a kind of like a boutique style feel, but it goes for phone cases. That's which a little bit outside of the box of what I normally deal with. But I thought it was worthwhile to go ahead and give it a look. So if you look here on the inside of the box, you can see it all on Instagram. I don't personally use Instagram because I don't take a lot of pictures. If I did, you'd see a lot of pictures of my food. It's mostly what I take pictures of. But if you want to see that petition, maybe I'll start up an Instagram. But at Velvet Carviar and Instagram, hashtag Velvet Carviar. And it's designed with love in New York. So happy for our New York people. So velvetcarviar.com, little inscription here, an upgrade for your phone that doesn't require a download. Cases handpicked with love by our team in New York City. So here's a smattering of some of the stuff that they gave me to display. So I'll push the box out of the way. Now, a lot of these cases, like I said, they're very boutique feeling. Let me get my camera lined up right. So it says pretty yet protective, which that is on all of the tops of their cases. They have a lot that are marbleized kind of patterns like this. They have some more solid looking ones. They have some cool stuff. If you're into Kate Spade, things like that, then you're probably going to love these guys. And the price tag is a lot less on your wallet or your purse, whichever you shop with. Maybe you even use Samsung Pay. That's cool too. So some of the cases they have here. So I got the Chrome Flame, which I'll grab that one. So this is the Chrome Flame. So for guys out there, if you want to put some hot rod looking flames, make your phone look like a Harley, and this is the case for you. And it is $24.99. A lot of their cases, especially the mainline ones, around the $24.99 price tag. They have some at $14.99, very few at $9.99, and it really depends on what series phone that you're looking at. So most of the stuff in the 7 Plus, 8 Plus category for the iPhones, and then as well as like the Notes and things like that, they're all around the $24.99 range. So we've got Chrome Flames here, pretty cool. This one right here is the white marble Holo, and they call it Holo because, as you can see, it's got the holographic effect there. Kind of like the old Trapper Keepers. Whenever you would get the ones that have the designs on them, you could get them to reflect in the sun. So pretty cool. A little bit of an 80s mixed with the marble, along with a modern design on it. On the back, all of them, they're bumper style cases, so they've got the extra bumper padding around the edges. They're shock absorbing, so if you drop it, it'll help absorb some of the impact whenever you drop the phone. They're not mil-spec rated. They don't have a drop test warranty on them, so they don't say drop from 3 feet, drop from 5 feet. But a standard bumper style case will get you through most bumps, drops, scrapes, bruises, anything that might hurt your phone. So screen protection, it's got 3 millimeters of raised lip design to prevent your phone screen from touching any surface, keeping it scratch free. So if you're like me and you like to take your phone, put it face down, you got a little bit of a protective buffer there that'll keep the screen lifted up off the solid flat surface so you won't do any damage to it. So that's one thing I like here. And the next thing is built to last. Made from a premium TPU material, providing a strong yet flexible case for your phone. So all their cases are TPU style. So they don't have the clip-ons, they don't have the two pieces, they don't have any of that fancy stuff. Whenever you get into the dynamics of more diverse cases, they're all TPU style. Where they really hammer things home is with their designs. So I'm going to try and get all these on screen real quick, as many as I can. S8 Plus here, normal camo. So we got this one here, which is another marbleized phone. That's phone case. That's the red velvet marble. And then they even make battery chargers. So if you're one of those people who spends a lot of time on your phone, worried about it dying, you want something that's fashionable, sleek, and cool that matches with your fancy phone case, look here. So we've got the camouflage style battery that matches the camo style case. So you can knock out 2 birds with the 1 stone and make sure your phone is charged. They have some that are in the 2000 milliamp rating, but this one is 4000 milliamp. So if you've got a Galaxy S8 Plus, you're rocking 3200 milliamps, which is pretty respectable, especially with the Snapdragon 835. Fairly power efficient for a beast of a processor. But this is more than the phone has. So it'll top you up. If the one phone lasts you throughout the day, you're good for 2 days. So you go camping, you go on an all-day shopping trip down 9th Avenue or wherever it is in New York that you do shopping at. Down here in Texas, we just go to the mall. But up there, you never know when you might need a top up. And it works with Android, iPhone, and micro USB. And it has the charging port built in here for each one of those. So it's kind of cool. Actually, I'll show you real quick. Pull it out of the box. You can see here it's got the micro USB, and it's also got the lightning charging cable there too. Let me get this out of here. So be careful when you pull it out. There we go. So it doesn't have a USB-C, which is fine. It's not the end of the world. But it has a charger on here, a charging port, where you can set it up and plug in whatever you need to. So all in all, pretty fancy. I like it. It's small. It's not too big. It'll fit in your backpack, your purse, your pocket, or your hoodie, wherever you need to carry it. And it's got a little battery meter there too, and that's how you charge it. So very cool. Anyway, that's about all I have for it. So I'll go and take one out real quick so you can see what it looks like. Now these are all going to be a little bit different for each phone, but like I said, they're all TPU style. So this is cool. It's got the clear TPU, but it's got a slightly different texture design on here for the BDU pattern. Now, pretty cool if you like camo looking stuff. I know it's made a resurgence as far as trendy stuff goes. Don't listen to me too much for trendy stuff because I am certainly not on the forefront of trend, but this is something that I would put on my phone. Give it a little bit of color, a little bit of flair, a little bit of extra something else other than, you know, the plain Jane. And especially if you're one of those people that likes to change your phone case regularly, then it gives you a whole host of options. And even though you see this one right here, okay, this red velvet color, marbleized color, I like it. I may use this with my phone. Or they have a black one as well. They have a whole list of them. I was really surprised when I looked at their website, because normally when you look at phone case offerings, it's like, okay, we have 5, we have 6, we have 8. Velvet Carviar has like 30 or 40. They just have tons of them. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you real quick. So just from your options here, whenever you're looking at chargers, all sorts of different stuff. You can get pizza. You can get a pizza charger, which is pretty cool. Lay off the anchovies though. So you go to the website, you check it out. They've even got coffee paired stuff. So if you want some coffee, you want some charms, you want some hats, you want some stickers, and then you go in here, you got your iPhone, your Galaxy, your chargers, all the cool stuff. And a lot of it matches, which is really cool too. So, I mean, it just has different designs for days. So if you're looking for something that has options, you want to buy 2 or 3 of them, you want to put them on your phone, and you want to have one for Monday, one for Wednesday, one for Friday, this is where you need to be. Here we go. This is what I was telling you about. Black marble. They even got a turquoise rose one. A lot of different cool colors. All at your fingertips on the internet, velvetcaviar.com. Also check them out on Instagram. Anyway, that's about all I have for these cases. I'm impressed with them. They're cool. Really what you're getting into is you're getting into decorations, and you're getting into a universal form fit that goes across the board for different phones that they make for. So what you see is what you get. If you buy one, you're going to get the exact same case, but it's going to be a different design. And that's really what they're geared towards, is making cool cases, making a variety of cases, and making pretty ones and other fancy, trendy stuff that really makes you want to wear it out in public on your phone and show it off and show your friends. So check them out, velvetcaviar.com. Check them out on Instagram and have a look. If If you have one already, sound off in the comments. If you have any questions, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks always for tuning in. Have a good day.